Hi, I'm Jani Viljoen, Head of AECO at Baker Baynes, and I'd like to welcome you to 2025. We're incredibly excited about what this year has in store for us. In this January edition of the AECO newsletter, be sure to check out an inspirational message from our CEO, Richard Smedley-Williams, in the Looking Ahead to 2025 section. He outlines what to expect this year, shares exciting developments on the horizon, and offers valuable advice to help you achieve success in 2025. We're also thrilled to announce an upcoming State of Design and Make AI Spotlight webinar, happening on the 24th of January from 11 to 12. Join us as we explore how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of architecture, engineering, construction, operation, and the manufacturing industries. Register today to secure your spot. As we gear up for an exciting year, now is the perfect time to secure those CPD-validated training courses. These courses will not only help you upskill, but also enable you to earn CPD points, ensuring you stay ahead in your field. With tailored training options, there's never been a better time to invest in your professional growth. And that's not all. As you prepare to tackle these new challenges, we're offering a suite of tailored transformation tools to help you optimize your workflows and unlock your potential. These include both free and paid-for resources, such as eBooks, guides, courses, and templates, all designed to meet your unique needs. With these tools, you'll be equipped to innovate and excel in 2025. Here's to a successful and inspiring year ahead.